10 times 1.646 is 16.46 I hat. So the force would impart an impulse of 16.46 Newton seconds on the object. Okay? Then we would say the impulse is equal to the change in momentum of the object, right? And then that would be equal to 16.46 I hat. Momentum final is m times v final minus m times v initial, which is 5. And then this is I hat. We don't have to write the I hats, but I'm writing it just to show you official. You know. So now we would go, this 10 would go over here, would be 26.46 I hat would equal 2 V final, and then V final would equal 13.23 I hat. And that's the answer, right? That's the answer that we got. So you see, it gives you the same answer. The impulse method gives you the same answer as the work energy method, which gives you the same answer as the Newton's law method. So you first find the impulse on the object. It's a two-step process. Then you say set the impulse equal to the change in momentum. However, for this problem, the impulse method would not be the first choice because you don't know the time. You have to first solve for the time, then do that way. But what if the problem had told you like this? There's a 2 kilogram, 5 meter per second, 10 newtons, and the 10 Newton force is dragging this thing, is dragging the block for a time of, let's say, 4 seconds. Now solve for what is the final velocity. But the problem doesn't tell you the distance. Okay? So it gives you a block. It says a force is dragging it for 4 seconds. Find the final velocity. This time, which method would you use? Well, now the work method would not be that good because you don't know the distance, right? Now the impulse method is better. So you would say, okay, the impulse is 10 times t, and then t is 4, so that's 40 Newton seconds I hat, right? And now set that equal to the change in momentum. Look how fast that is. And this is 50. You see? So this time, don't use the work energy method unless you have to really. But the impulse method is the quicker one. And we could also use the Newton's law method if we wanted to. Find the A, and then use the kinematics to find V final. It should give you the same answer. So now you can kind of see at least the reasoning behind using the idea of impulse, why we have that. It's helpful when you know the time, how many seconds.